Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a handwriting text effect animation like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to Tools, Text and type your text. Okay, then I'll go to Align to put this into the middle like this, and if you don't see a line here you can go to window and check a line from here. Okay, yeah, so now I'll add a masks in my text. Okay, so let me go to each letter, then I'll go to pen tool and now to pen tool this letter. Okay, in normal if you want to write this letter you will beginning from this point like this and this side, then we will go here and last one we will add this line. So let me do this. Okay, go here, put point like this. Okay, then I'll go here and the other line, and you have to put this point into the middle as possible like this. And last one, I'll go here to add this line like this. Then I'll go to draw A also like this. So let me add this letter. Okay, and now I'll finish all and I'll come back. Okay, now we finished our masks here. Then I'll go to effects and presets and stroke, drag and drop or double click. Okay, and I'll choose or check all masks all masks here. Okay, then I'll go to paint style and I'll choose reveal original image and see. Okay, then I'll go to brush size and I'll increase it like this. Okay, I'll change it to 12. It's good for me. Then I'll go to end, change end to 0, keyframe. I'll go maybe 5 seconds forward and I'll change it to 100 and let me see this. And now we have a handwriting effect. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.